All right, guys, it's Saturday morning. I am heading up to Southern Thunder Harley Davidson for the car and bike show. I'm running a little bit late there, so I'm going to cut this a little short, the intro rather, and let's get up there. All right, let's go. Okay, so today we have the bike and car show up at Southern Thunder, and there is also a police rodeo going on right around the corner at the Civic Center. I don't know if we'll be able to get into that or not. It is kind of a closed event, but since it's a motorcycle show, I do maybe have an in to let us in. As in me, but then you get to go like by proxy, living vicariously through me. It won't be any of the cool drone shots because I'm not a drone guy, but I will be able to see all the cool stuff going on. Hope you enjoy it. Come along for the ride, and let's go enjoy ourselves. All right, so we're up here at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson, and I'm with Mike and Stephanie because they came with me today. Get them both in there. So yeah, oh, and I even gave away a shirt. Check that shit out. Right on. All right, so we're gonna check out all these cars and bikes and see if I can get some light on me. There we go. So we're gonna check out the cars and the bikes and see what's out there and see what's up. If we can get some of these people that talk to us. Whose car is it?
It's mine.
It's yours. Well, you want to talk about it?
64 Corvette, resto mod. We'll catch up. All right, buddy. Kind of always a dream car of mine, I guess. Other than that, I've been the owner for right at 3 years.
You have done a lot of stuff to it. This looks very different.
Thank you. Well,
looks very good.
I'm thinking
that's a compliment. Yeah, this looks. It looks mean and nasty, and it does. And the more things you look at, the more things you notice.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a lot of work in this thing.
Yes, it is. Every nut, bolt, screw.
I can do a little bit better on it.
Very, very few stock parts on the car. In fact, the body, believe it or not, is completely stock with the exception of the rear fender flares, the hood, and it's got 3 brake lights on each side.
I'm gonna walk around this thing just look at it because it does look nasty, but it's so cool. That's why. right, so who am I talking to?
Okay, Russ Cowers.
All right, and this is your car. What is it?
Yes. It's a 37 Plymouth. It's actually a 39 with a 37 front cab. It's got a 89 Dodge Diplomat drivetrain in it, all stock. And pretty well it is what it is.
It is what it is. So how'd you get this car? I mean, it's this is special. You don't see any cars on the road like this.
No, there's not many. I've had a lot of cars. Most of them Mopar, race cars, you know, and you know, this is an old street driver.
Yeah, this is a nice car.
Thank you.
So do you ride this every day, or is this your show car? You keep it home, or
go to shows in the neighborhood.
okay? It's sweet.
Thank you.
So what have you got left to do to it?
It more or less put the whole front clip out of the Dodge Diplomat in it and all, and I've still got some more work to do too.
Okay. Well, nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we're with Tori from Southern Thunder Harley Davidson. So what we got going on here today?
Well, we are selling raffle tickets for our 8th annual Harleys with Heart fundraiser for Le Bonheur Children's Hospital. This is just a very, very small piece of what we've got to raffle. There's going to be a poker run that morning. We're going to have all day live entertainment, and it's going to be a day that you're not going to want to miss. Not only do we have this beautiful Les Paul Epiphone guitar here, we've got another guitar that's autographed by a celebrity artist. We have got accommodations at the Peabody. We have tons of Harley merchandise and service bucks and items, and so many gift cards that we can't even count. And we're getting donations by the day. So it's going to be a huge all-day raffle, and you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be a great cause.
All right, so this is June 22nd.
June the 22nd. It starts at 10 in the morning, and we're going to go to 6 o'clock, so it's going to be an all-day party. So come in the morning, stay, come in the afternoon and stay, or just, you know, stay all day.
Or just stay.
Just stay.
All right, thanks, Victoria.
Hey, thank y'all.
Hello, I'm Lena. I'm part of the Harley Angels. I've been here since October. I'm from Arkansas, and it's really fun here.
So what's your favorite part about being an angel?
The group of girls. It's a really close-knit group of girls. It's really fun to come out and do the events every Saturday with Harley Davidson, and just really fun. Really good experience.
Cool. You haven't rode yet?
I don't. I want to. I'll be taking the class soon, for sure.
Excellent.
For sure.
All right, so if you want to come up here and visit Lena, she will be up here every event, right?
Every event.
All right, thanks, Rom.
Thank you.
All right, we're here with Sunny, and Sunny has a fetish. Actually, a
Not
fear.
a fetish, a
It's
fear.
a fear.
Yes.
So
I
tell
do.
us how you got so scared of elevators.
I really don't know how it started, but I know why I'm scared of it. I've been scared of it for as long as I can remember. I don't have a problem with the elevator falling, which is weird. That's what most people are afraid of. But I have a problem with being trapped in a room with no walls and no doors. And it freaks me out. I think it's possibly claustrophobia, but I can't do it. I can't do it. I actually ran a full tray of food upstairs this way instead of taking the easy way yesterday. So, yeah.
All right, so no deep-seated fear of the elevator itself, just being in a box.
Yes, I
No
don't
shoe
wanna
boxes for Sunny.
Or like the thought of being buried alive. Ugh, it freaks me out. It freaks me out.
What, say that again?
Being buried alive.
No one wants to be buried alive. That scares everybody.
Or just in a box, in a small room. I hate it. Hate
So,
it.
so I guess we're going to cremate you and not put you in a box, right?
Yes, please, please.
I'll do what I can. No promises.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right.
Ladies, I love to watch them dance. I love the ladies talking about the romance. They shake their booties like nothing I've ever seen. Shake that thing like a motherfucking boomerang. And then these ladies, they get so close to me. They shake that thing like a motherfucking tree. And when they shake it, it feels so good to me. They make me think that they're in love with me. They are my girlfriend for a motherfucking night. They're fine with me 'cause I never get a time. I like the blondes and the redheads too. Ladies are my life and they just know what to do. They fall in love with me, my money and success. They all just want, yeah, $1 million dress. I tell them, hold tight, things might just come their way. The dream might come true, depending on today. Dance for me, baby. Come on, come on, come on and dance. You make me feel so good. Dance for me, baby. Come on, come on, come on and prance. You make me feel so fine. Dance with me, baby. Come in, come out, come in and sing. You make me feel alive. Beautiful, baby. Come on, come on, come on and dance. A sexy girl dance. They are my girlfriend for a motherfucking night. They're fine with me 'cause I never get a fight. I like the blondes and the redheads too. Ladies are my life and they just know what to do.
Caught me in the ass.
So you never take the elevator.
No. And I'm okay with that.
I thought you would be.
I get my daily dose of sunlight.
Okay, another good time was had at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson. I never have a bad time up there. All their events, although, you know, maybe small by other standards, are a big hit where we are, and people like to go. We have a lot of fun. So if you're ever in the neighborhood, stop by Southern Thunder Harley Davidson, tell them Randy sent you, and go to Sidecar Cafe and get the shrimp po' boy. It's well worth it. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, do the things, and I'll see you on my next adventure, which should be going up to Ohio for the poker run for Forgotten Angels. If you haven't looked up Forgotten Angels yet, you should do that now. Go to www.forgottenangelsflorida.org and look up the charity, and feel free to donate, buy a raffle ticket for the next raffle bike we have up. I think the next one up now is actually, you know what, I can't remember. We give away so many bikes there, it's kind of hard to keep track of what we're giving away. So just, yep, you know, see it on now. You got to go and check it out yourself. And if you've seen Shade Tree Surgeon's channel, you'll see the next bike that's up for auction. All right guys, that's it for now, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Thanks, girl.
You're welcome.